The next divine name is Al-Wakeel, meaning the trustee. This can mean that Allah, the Exalted, is the only one who is responsible for the affairs and needs of the creation and fulfills them all according to His infinite wisdom. A Muslim who understands this divine name will only entrust their affairs to Allah, the Exalted, knowing He only chooses the best for His servants. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 216.
But perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you. And Allah knows while you know not.
They will prove this by being patient and even content in times of difficulty and grateful in times of ease. Patience must be shown from the very onset of a calamity until one departs from this world. Gratitude must be shown through one's actions by using all the blessings they possess in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. If they persevere on this, they may even reach the level where they are grateful in every situation, knowing the trustee is looking after their affairs in the best possible way. Chapter 65 At-Talaq, verse 3.
And whoever relies upon Allah, then He is sufficient for him.
A Muslim should act on this divine name by understanding that every blessing they possess was granted to them by Allah, the Exalted. Therefore they are trustees of the blessings, not the true owners. They must fulfill the duty of a trustee by using each blessing they have been entrusted with, according to the wishes of the true owner. The biggest blessing entrusted to a Muslim is faith. They must fulfill this trust by fulfilling the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refrain from His prohibitions, and face destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. These blessings also include one's dependents. Therefore, a Muslim must fulfill this trust by treating and teaching their dependents according to the teachings of Islam without any signs of neglect. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.